Day 3 of walking, and today's May 2, Saturday, still part of the long weekend. So far so good. Yeah, I'm still in the same park. Changes so far, I can sleep well na, and usually I sleep like 11 or 12. Medyo inaantok na by 11. I hope I can make it until day 30. So for now it's day 3, and today medyo konti lang yung tao, and which is nice for me. At least hindi masyadong maingay, and there's a lot of space to walk. What else? So yeah, again, I hope I can make it until day 30. Let's see what will happen. Maybe I should also change my eating habit, or I should also drink. Yeah, I drink a lot of water. That's why ang dali kong pagpawisan. But yeah, I'm hoping for the best. May this be a miraculous May. And now I have 8,000 steps and 2,000 steps more, then I'll go home na. If you're also running or walking, me personally, I don't like running, so I prefer walking. So if you're also walking, you can connect with me. You can message me, comment, so that I have somehow a virtual partner in this challenge. Not really a challenge, but it's like building a habit. It's building a lifestyle, building a sedentary I don't know. So it's not really like a challenge, but it's more of like building a new habit, because as we grow older, medyo nagde-deteriorate na yung mga cells, and our metabolism is getting slower. So let's move more and walk more. So I think that's all for today, and see you in day 4. Ciao.